If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter error 520, don't worry, because in this video I'll show you a quick step-by-step fix that you can try right now. This is one of those errors that can happen because of browser data, a VPN, or a temporary connection issue, and the good news is that it's usually easy to troubleshoot. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, if you have a VPN turned on, disable it completely. Sometimes a VPN can interfere with the connection between your browser and X, which can trigger error 520. Once the VPN is off, refresh X and see if the problem is gone. If the error is still showing, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This will open the clear browsing data window in your browser. Make sure cookies and cached images and files are selected, then clear the data. After that, close the browser completely and open X again to check if it loads normally. If you still see the error, the final step is to test X in a private or incognito window. Press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new incognito window, then go to x.com and check if it works there. If X opens normally in incognito mode, then the issue is most likely related to your saved browser data or extensions. That means you may need to keep using Incognito for now or clear your normal browser session again more thoroughly. And that's it. Those are the quickest fixes for x.com or Twitter error 520. Try them in order, and in most cases, that should get X working again. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more fast troubleshooting guides.